Hello forex traders, have a great and successful day friends. I am Safdar and you are watching Business Ideas with Safdar Abbas. Friends, this is gold chart H4. Here's this is the high and this is the low. The market is finally available on 61.8 cross of this level. This is H4 chart. Mostly 70% is chances market goes up. If the goes up, gold is the first level is 907. Someone is next is 1912, and if the cross of this levels, the market can touch in next week 1933, and also one level is available here 1968. If the gold goes down, 30% chances they can down. There is one level. If the goes down, gold 1888, 1873, and finally 1848 is the final for next week. Have a great friends. Thank you very much. Goodbye.